Hello children, today we are going to learn about integers. What is integers? Integers are a collection of natural numbers, zero and negative numbers. We denote this collection by Z. See that figure. Integers are given. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So integers are called negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Understood? Now see the number line. Negative numbers are represented on the number line to the left of 0 and positive integers are right of 0. So every integer on the number line is placed in an increasing order from left to right. Okay children? Now write the following integers in ascending order. What is ascending order? Small value to big value. So how to write all the integers? Write small value to big value. That is called increasing order or ascending order. Now they are given some integers -5, 0, 2, 4, -6, 6, -3. So these are all negative integers and positive integers are given. Plotting the points on the number line we will get. Now one number, plot the number line. First -5, then 0, then 2, 4, -6, 6, -3. So the numbers are placed in an increasing order from left to right. So ascending order, first small value -6 less than -5 less than -3 less than 0 less than 2 less than 4 less than 6. Understood children? So -6 is the small value, the biggest value is the +6. Okay children? Okay, now how you have to add the integers? Adding of integers. The number line is a simple tool to visualize addition of integers. So number line is very useful to adding integers. So imagine that the number line is a road with markers on it. We are allowed to step forward on this road. One step taken is equal to 1 unit of number. Initially we start at 0 and face positive direction. We step forward for positive integers and backward for negative integers. We maintain the same positive direction for addition operation. See that number line. The 0 middle is value. One side is given positive direction, opposite side is given negative direction. Okay children? Now find the value of the following using number line activity. So you have to use number line, add the integers. First sum, listen. What's the sum is given? -4 plus -1. See the number line. So -4, how you can mark? 0 to -4, negative direction. -1, -2, -3, -4. So add again -1. So what will come? -5. So what's the answer? -4 plus -1 is equal to -5. Okay. Second example, see. +4 plus -3. How you have to plot the points in the number line? First you will see. From 0 to +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Negative means coming this side. So minus 3. 3, 2, 1 will come. So final answer is plus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to plus 1. Understood, children? Okay. Now, addition of integers without using number line. You cannot always using number line. So without using underline, how you have to add the integers. Now see the table. Adding positive and negative integers. Integer sign plus, adding plus, what will come? Plus. Okay, example is given. 2 is a positive number, plus 5 is a positive numbers, adding simple things, 7. The second, minus, adding minus. Understood, children? Be careful. This mistake will come everyone. Very, very important concept this. Okay, children? Now, minus, adding minus, always come minus. So, see the example. Minus 2, adding minus 5. What sign will come? Minus. 2 plus 5, 7. Sign will come minus. So, minus 7. Now, see the different sign. Plus, adding minus. What you have to do? First plus, then minus, subtract. So, what sign will come now? Which is larger number sign, that is answer. So, see the example. 2 adding minus 5. So, which symbol is larger sign? 5. So, answer will come 5. What's the difference between 5 and 2? 3. So, answer is minus 3. Understood, children? Now, minus adding plus. So, this is both sign will come. So, what's the answer? Which number is greater sign? That is the answer will come. Here, larger sign is what? See the example. Minus 2 plus 5. What sign is greater? Greater sign is 5. Okay. So, answer will come plus. What's the difference between 5 and 2? 3. So, answer is plus 3. So, these are all given example. So, more examples we'll see. The first example see. 10 plus 35. So, plus add plus, what will come? Both should add in. Normal method. 10 plus 35 is equal to 45. Second example see. Minus 10 plus again minus 35. So, both sign are same. Negative. So, answer will come minus. So, adding 10 plus 35, 45, sign is minus 45. So, third, 10 plus minus 35. So, which sign is a greater sign? Minus. So, answer will come minus. What's the difference between 35 and 10? 25. So, answer is minus 25. The fourth sum, minus 10 plus 45. So, what sign is a greater sign? Plus. So, what's the difference between 45 and 10? 35. So, plus 35 is the answer. Now, word problems. Addition of integers. Example 1 is. When Malar woke up, her temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. 2 hours later, it was 3 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? What's the solution say? Initially, Malar's temperature what? 102 degree Fahrenheit. After 2 hours, it lowered 3 degree Fahrenheit. Lower means minus. That is equal to minus 3 degree Fahrenheit. So, present temperature is equal to 102 degree plus minus 3 degree. You have to add. So, how you have to add it? Which sign is the greater sign? Plus. So, what's the difference between 102 and 3? 99. So, answer 99 degree Fahrenheit. Understood, children? Now you see the example 2. An elevator is on the 20th floor. It goes down 11 floors and then up 5 floors. What floor is elevator on now? Solution. Present location of the elevator is equal to 20th floor. If it goes down 11 floor, which implies minus 11. Okay, down means minus, up means plus, is equal to 20 plus minus 11. So how you have to add this? Which symbol is which sign is a greater sign? Plus. So 20 minus 11, that is equal to 9th floor. 9th floor. If it goes up 5 floor, up means plus. So which implies 9 plus 5. So both is positive. 9 plus 5, what will come? Is equal to 14th floor. Understood, children? Okay. Now you see the example 3. Mala saved rupees 300 and she has spent rupees 500 on credit basis for the purchase of stationery. Find her due amount. You have to find the due amount. So credit means, debit means what you have to do. Now listen solution. The amount Mala has rupees 300. The amount spent for stationery on credit is equal to rupees 500. So the due amount to be paid. Actually, how much he has? 300 rupees only having. How much he purchased stationery? 500 rupees. So credit means minus. So rupees 300 minus rupees 500 is equal to minus rupees 200 will come. Why money is coming minus? Minus means credit. She has to pay. So Mala has to pay rupees 200. Okay, children? That's all for today's class, children. I have sent a supplementary video for more information about this topic. Please do watch it. Thank you, children.